If you have a problem with Discord where it automatically closes from time to time, what you need to do is just reopen or restart Discord. For that, close your Discord, and to make sure it's not running in the background, on the search, you want to search for Task Manager. From inside Task Manager, you want to right click on Discord and click on End Task. Once you do that, your Discord will actually close. Now try to reopen Discord again. It should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, restart your PC and check your Wi-Fi speed as well. Sometimes slow Wi-Fi also causes the problem. The next thing you can do is you can click on the search and type run over here. Once you search for run, click on the run option. From here, just search for percentage app data percentage and click on OK. Go inside the Discord folder and delete this folder called cache. Okay. Once you delete it, try to reopen Discord. It should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, the last thing you can do is delete the Discord app and re-download it again. Sometimes a bug causes the issue, so when you delete and re-download the latest version of Discord, your problem should be fixed. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.